Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain you what is drawer widget, which is most commonly used widget in any application. So the scaffold widget with an app bar will automatically add a button to the app bar that opens drawer widget. So let me start drawer widget. So I'm using drawer property. Within this I'm adding a drawer widget. Let me save and run this. So you can see the drawer widget have automatically added to this app bar, and we have another property called end drawer which will add this widget at end of this text. So let me save and run this. Now you can find the widget have added at end of this text. And inside this drawer widget I'm going to add a child property, and inside that I'm using a widget called list view. The drawer widget contain any widgets you like, but mostly we use list view widget with drawer header and some list styles. Okay, so inside this list view I'm using children property. So here I am going to add some list of widgets, and within these square brackets first let me show you what is user account drawer header widget. Okay, so let me add user account drawer header widget. So you need to add your account name and email here. So let me use text widget, and inside that I'm going to add a name, say Julie. Okay, and now here I'm going to add email. So I'm adding email inside text widget. Now let me save and run this. And click on this menu. So and you can see account name and email here. And if you want to add circle avatar above this account name, so we need to add a property called current account picture property. So let me add a property called current account picture, and inside that I am using a widget called circle avatar. Okay, and inside that I need to add a person icon. So first I need to use a child property, and inside that I have added a person icon. So a circle avatar have added above this account name and email. And next I'm going to use a property called decoration to decorate this user account drawer header widget. So after this circle avatar, let me add decoration property, and inside that I'm going to use box decoration widget, and I'm going to add color for this box. So colors dot orange. Okay, first let me show you this. So click on this menu, so it will look like this, and next I'm going to add some lists here. So here I'm going to add some lists. For that I'm going to use a list style widget, and within that let me add title property to add text, and add a text widget, and inside this text widget I'm going to add your orders. So this is a example for shopping app, and let me copy this textile widget and paste it again. So here I'm going to change its text values. Let me change this to buy again, and let me change this to your account, and customer service. Fine. Let me add one more. I'll just copy this and paste it, and let me change its text value to settings. 7 run this. So all the list values have added. This is user account drawer header widget, and in below this I have added list style widgets. So you can also add color to these list styles. There are a lot of properties in list style widget also. Blue is looking good here. Let me change its color to blue. And I will also add colors to this list style. For example, let me use this tile color property, and inside that I am going to add colors dot blue. That's fine. Let me save this. It is looking good now. You can also add padding property to this list style widget. Let me show you. Click on before this list style widget and wrap this with widget and rename it to padding. So here I am using a padding property and edge inserts dot all, and I am giving a value 8 pixels. Okay, so let me save this. That's good. You can add to the remaining list styles. So let me show you a property called gradient here. So in this user account header drawer, I am going to add a property called gradient. You should add this inside decoration property only. So I am going to add this inside decoration property within user account drawer header widget. Okay, so inside decoration property, and we need to remove this previous color. So let me remove this blue color and let me add gradient property, and here I am adding LinearGradient widget. So I'm going to add some colors inside this. So I'm using children's property, colors property, and I'm going to add some colors inside this square bracket. So colors dot blue, comma colors dot light blue, and at last I am going to add a white color. So okay, so I have added 3 colors linearly in this gradient property. So it is going to add to this user account or header widget. So let me save this and show you. So click on this. So now you can see here 3 colors have added: blue, light blue and white. And if you click here and click on control space, here are different properties that you can try. You can try this other account picture property and do experiment on different properties so you can learn well. And here I have used LinearGradient, and here also you can see many properties here. And finally, to get this source code, look at the description. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my channel.